Greetings. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but hold on. Pretty sure that's better. Don't mind my hand. Been going through it with this hand. I am going to start a hair growth journey. This is like the only thing I can commit to right now because I am humongous. So I'm gonna commit to this. I'm gonna try the hair mask that Cardi B was promoting for her hair growth. Once I seen her hair growth, I was like, ah. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that once a week. If I feel like I need it more, then I'll do it twice a week. And I'll be doing weekly like updates on if I'm seeing any growth or anything like that, But just a quick look of a before. I haven't washed my hair in some time, but right now it's really dry, and what I need is moisture and thickness and length. This is my hair now. Today I'm going to start. Today's the 6th. So, and it's Monday. So yeah, this is my hair right now. But yeah, so I can't do it right now because I have an appointment soon. So right after my appointment, I'm going to get this party started. Okay. So I'm adding 2 eggs. I already added the avocado. I was moving too fast. Next I'm gonna add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Probably like a tablespoon of honey, and about a 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a banana, about a teaspoon of coconut oil, and a tablespoon of the olive oil growth oil that I have. So I thought it was going to fit into this plastic bowl, but it did not fit. So I'm going to get a different bowl. So you can see the consistency. Looks pretty good. It's not that thick, and it smells so good. I could eat it. But yeah. Alright, now that I got all of that mixed up, start to apply it to the scalp. This smells so freaking good. Like, I want to eat it. Oh no! Like, it smells so good. And I don't think I'm gonna use all this, but I'm gonna use as much as I can. Alright, so I'm gonna start applying this to my hair. My hair is super dry. Like, this is why I'm doing this. This looks really, really good, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. This is phenomenal. I love it. I love it. But you pretty much used the whole bowl. I did not expect to use the whole bowl. So I'm gonna just use the rest to spread it all over. So here I'm just saying that I'm going to leave it in for about 45 minutes, and for the 30 minutes I'm gonna just leave it in, just let it sit, and then for the last 15 minutes I'm going to sit under the hair dryer. Scraping the bottom of this, getting the rest in there, working that in there. Yeah, see how long my hair is, so if you have a lot longer hair than me, you might want to use another avocado and another banana. But the 2 eggs should be fine. I'm gonna show y'all the back because I have a tail. Let's see that tail, baby. It's gonna take me a minute to turn around. See it? I don't know if I'm in the frame. That is the tail that I have. But I didn't miss anything back here. I am very happy with how this looks. So we're gonna come back when I wash it out. So I'm about to wash it out now. I can say that it was pretty soft. When I was washing it out, my hair felt really soft. It came out pretty easy, as you can see. The only thing that I would do differently next time is I'll use 1 egg rather than 2, because I like the way it felt, but you know, I feel like with my hair texture, I put the extra egg in, and it was still good, but it was just a little too much for my hair. So next time I'm just gonna go with 1 egg. Now I'm gonna be using the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo with avocado and jojoba oil. I have the conditioner as well. So I usually just go in, I only wash my scalp and I let the soap trickle down to my ends. I don't like shampooing my ends too much because they're pretty sensitive. So I wash my scalp, and I always detangle between every part of the process, as you're going to see. So I go in with my shampoo, I rinse out, and I detangle as I go. I'd like to say also that if you have a problem with my armpit hair, grow up and shave your back. So anytime I condition my hair, I always seal it with an oil. That's like a mixture of a bunch of different oils, probably the same oils that I showed in the beginning, mostly extra virgin olive oil. So I always put oil in my hair when I'm conditioning. So I leave it in for about 5-10 minutes as I shower, and then I rinse it out with cold water. My hair felt really soft, minus the whole 2 egg situation. It was just a little too much protein, what I really wanted to say. But I'm definitely going to keep doing it. So I'll see you next time.